Hello, today I will demonstrate how to effectively use Colab within VS Code and Google Antigravity. Let's begin with VS Code. First, navigate to the Extensions view. Search for the Google Colab extension and ensure that this extension is officially created by Google. Once verified, proceed to install the extension. Once installation is complete, we will create a new notebook file. You will notice that new options, including the distinct Colab button, are now visible in your VS Code environment. Let's create a code cell containing a simple Hello World print statement. We will now execute this cell. Upon execution, you will be prompted to select a kernel. Select Colab and then click Auto Connect. You will need to grant permissions to Google Colab to authenticate the server connection. After authentication is complete, select the Python kernel. Now we are ready to run the cells. You should see the output Hello World from Google Colab. We can now easily combine this Colab notebook environment with integrated AI assistance. For instance, let's create a new code cell and request the AI to generate a sample dataset. We can execute the generated code. Next, we will request a data visualization for the newly created data frame. And the visualization is generated. The user experience remains seamless. We are combining the local efficiency of VS Code with the powerful computational resources of Colab notebooks. Finally, let's quickly verify the running kernel session. Navigate to Colab in your web browser, go to Connect menu and select Manage Sessions. Here you can confirm the active sessions that is currently running via your VS Code connection. Now, let's perform the same process within the Google Antigravity IDE. You can download the Antigravity IDE from this web page to explore its full benefits. However, right now we will focus specifically on the Google Colab extension. Once you have downloaded the application, proceed to install it in your local machine. Open Antigravity and you will see an interface similar to this, featuring the AI agent and the file viewer. To install Google Colab, go to the Extensions section, search for Colab from Google, and click on Install. Once the extension is installed, we can create a new file. You will see the distinctive Colab button within the new Jupyter notebook that we have created. Let's create a new cell and add a simple Hello World print statement. When we attempt to execute the cell, we will be prompted to select the Colab extension. We will select Colab and choose the Auto Connect option. We must then provide all the necessary permissions to connect Colab with the Antigravity IDE. Great, you can now see the new Colab kernel available. We will select the kernel that comes from Google Colab in Python and we will execute the cell. You can also click on the Colab button and go directly to the option Open Colab in the web. Here we will see the sessions that are currently running in order to validate that the notebook in Antigravity is using the session within the Google Colab cloud environment. Now let's open the previously created notebook and execute all the cells. Let's remember that we are now operating within the Google Antigravity IDE. Of course, you are welcome to explore all the AI capabilities of this brand new IDE created by Google. But Colab works really well here too. Thank you for your attention.